we realized that something was missing here in China related to the car industry. We were always talking about, you know, the new cars and the actual cars, etc., without talking about the history, the heritage, and the legend of the automobile industry. And with Bund Classic, we wanted to share, you know, the love and passion about the classic car.
For me personally, as a judge, I've really enjoyed it. I think they've got some very good cars here for the first year, and the feedback I've heard has been all positive. Everybody's enjoyed it.
The location for the Bund Classic, I would say it's fabulous. Around this historical part, you can see the Pudong area over here. It's perfect.
The collection of cars they have here is quite impressive, and it's probably a tough choice for the judges to decide which is the best one.
只要你爱古董车，只要你喜欢古董车，就不应该去错失这样的一个平台。
I love the magical combination of history and future thinking. And so I would say to others, next year is not to be missed. It's a fantastic beginning and really the foundation for many wonderful years in China and in Shanghai with the Bund Classic.